And it's not to say that it don't matter, because like prior I was a sergeant. Now I'm just a civilian. But now I'm a civilian with all these qualities.
Your military career and your jobs, everything doesn't transition into what we would call a military certification out in the civilian world.
Thinking about graduating from Works Just Words has given me some confidence that I could do something meaningful.
Welding, pretty much anytime I tell people I'm learning how to weld, everyone's just ecstatic about it because there's so much flexibility in what you can do with it.
Workshops kind of like gave me a place to figure that out, as well as gave me the skills that I can use in a practical setting.
I've got a set of skills that are going to be, useful and sought after.
I have 6 certifications after 2 semesters. It's amazing.
Workshops gives you this chance to let them know that you applied yourself diligently with hard work, and now you have nationally acquired accreditations.
American Welding Society, AWS, is a nationally recognized certification process.
My name is Ramon Madrid.
My name is Angel Alvarez.
Charles Monke.
Matthew Graw.
Ryan Riley.
Christian McCreary. I was in the Marine Corps for 11 years.
From the Marine Corps, I've been in almost 5 years.
I've been in the Navy for 17 years.
I was in the U.S. Marines.
Active duty Marine up at Camp Pendleton.
I've transitioned from the military to civilian life.
When I was working at a bar, because I switched to the reserves, and I was trying to figure out how to do something better.
After I got out in 2007, unfortunately, I experienced some homelessness, so I overcame that.
It's a very interesting transition. Going through the things that you do inside the military, you never think things are gonna end. You got this giant wall in front of you, and all you can see is your military life.
Graduation from Workshop Wars, it's gonna help because it's almost a guarantee of a livelihood. Because you guys are nationally accredited, I can go anywhere in the United States and get a job.
I can now take those experience and those tools, put it in my back pocket, and feel confident going into any industry.
I mean, Workshops has taught me how to weld.
Welding, you get dirty. You actually apply your mental and physical skills.
Graduating today it's a great sense of accomplishment for myself. It gives me hope for the future, for better income.
I'm starting to feel like a little bit more comfortable with becoming a civilian.
My name's Josh Ferguson.
Basil Hernandez.
Mudasiri Hussaini, people call me Moody.
My name's Sachette Barrett.
Noah Kampa.
Heidi Regal.
Retired Navy.
5-year Marine Corps vet.
I was a 31 Bravo, was a military police officer.
I am active duty military with Marines.
I was in the Marine Corps.
Welding is, it's always going to be around. It's very useful and it's very versatile.
It's a tremendous and valuable skill that I'm leaving with.
There's so much depth and breadth to the world of fabrication and metalworking that I just would like to continue along those lines. And I feel like I'm at the tip of the iceberg right now, so the future's bright.
I already have multiple job offers, which is something I wouldn't have had just being regular infantry and range coach. I was looking towards the flux core, towards working in heavy steel construction.
I'm going to try to be working on motorcycles, restoring, and possibly building.
The future looks pretty bright considering the opportunities that the school's given me.
Super thankful that I was allowed to come to this program.
You guys are doing a fantastic job. Keep it up. It's not easy to do, but you guys are doing it.
Thank you. I'm very grateful for the opportunity of having gone here for free, and what they're doing for veterans is really great.
It's been a tremendous opportunity. It's a great value, and it's just been a blast all around.
Workshop for Warriors was a great way for me to start my newest foundation for the next chapter of my life.
It was fantastic. It was just a godsend. It was great.
Just 4 months ago, I didn't have a positive outlook. And now around the people, developing relationships and skills at the same time, and exposure to the civilian world, I don't know what I would do without it.